Okay, the bumper is ripped up. Well, not ripped up, but it's ripped where it's done broke in half. Yeah, the bumper. So I'm about to go ahead and fix this. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open up the Permatex. And when you open it, you're gonna break the tab off. And then it's another little tab in there. You gotta pop that out or it won't be able to squeeze. Oh, I need that little stick I found. See, you take this out. Sometimes you can use that for the stir for one time. So let me just put this on here for now. And then you're gonna need a grinder. Clean that up. See a little 36 sandpaper. So I forgot to sand right here, get in this. Same thing right here. fit pretty good. So now let me mix up some my magic. So you take it and squeeze both of them. That's about how much I need for right now. Then you take this and pull it back up. Pull it back up, because if not, it's gonna be leaking out. And it can't harden up. I mean, it can dry out if you leave the top off, but if they too touch, it'll harden up, won't be no good. Anyway, that's my little secret. So I got a little spreader. I'm gonna mix this up. Just mix it up real good. It don't take that much. It'll take about 5 minutes to dry. But of course, I'm not gonna mess with it. I let it get nice and hard. So I put this on, probably walk away for about an hour, then come back, grind that. Well, I ain't gonna say grind it, but sand it down a little bit, add a little more. My main thing is now, all I want to do is just get it where it'll hold it together. So all I want to do is just put this on here. Put it on just where they're gonna connect. Alright, I'm gonna hold this for 5 minutes. If it quit moving, alright, I want it right there. So let me just hold this until it get hard. Seemed like forever, like playing hide and go seek. As soon as you hide, and it seemed like forever. I just wanted to hold. And when it hold, I let this sit for a little bit. Then I come back, sand it down, put another little skim coat on it, the front and the back. Right now, my main concern is I just want it to hold. Then when it holds good, and then I feel it, then I can go back and do the little body work. Smart thing with a deal is get it. Normally on one like this, I would get a stick and a vice grip, a C vice grip, 2 of them, put one on each side to hold it. But I figure I could sit here and just hold this for 5 minutes until it tack up and hold. Once it holds, I can go from there. It's a little bit on the back I can feel, and I can tell it's starting to gel up. But but it's not enough to let go, because if I let go, then I'm gonna have to do it all over. All right, let that dry. You see I put it on smooth, so that way I only need to do some light sanding. I just wanted to fill that gap. Then I'll come back and do it with the machine like this. Skim coat of Bondo, and then feather it to here, feather it to there, inside here, and then it's ready for prime. And just save the people $500. I didn't feel like working on no new bumper anyway. All right, we got the bumper in prime, just a rough coat prime, so that way we can block out the scratches from doing the body work. But most of that'll get done once it's on the car and be stiffened back up. Yep, so this is how you fix a bumper.